How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply turn on your PS4 with keyboard and mouse without any controller. As you may know, you can use keyboard in order to operate your PS4, but the question is, how can you turn it without using the actual controller? Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that your television or monitor is turned on. And then on the PS4 right here, you just want to find the button, which is going to be this one. Now there's going to be two buttons. The first one is going to be for power, and the second one is going to be for ejecting the disc itself. So in order to do this, just make sure that your PS4 is plugged onto an outlet and then press this button right here, and then the PS4 will turn normally. Now from there, you can operate your PS4 with the keyboard in order to select your profiles, select a game, and many more. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.